Yes, hello guys. Today I'm gonna talk about various ways to make money online, both legit and illegitimate ways to make money online. So first of all, fixed matches used to be one of the best ways that you could make money online. But I think with the exposure to internet, things really changed. So I don't think you can no longer make serious money online through fixed matches where you can edit tickets and be able to sell them to people and make some money off the same, but it still works. So for example, I'll be able to show you how you can edit tickets, or you can edit winning slips both on the phone and the computer and make some money. There's also another method that is called using inspect element, but this one you don't use the computer, but rather you connect the phone to the computer via USB cable, and from there you can be able to edit anything. You can even edit bank statements, you can even edit bet slips, you can edit almost each and everything that you can ever think of. So that is the first method that you can make illegal money in Kenya, using what we call fixed matches. But as I've already tackled that, and that I can tell you for free that is very, very outdated, no longer works. Second method you can make money is through Facebook Marketplace. Now, Facebook Marketplace also has been a field that has been flooded recently, because almost each and every person is learning of this trick. So what you normally do if you want to make money, you can go online. For example, if you are selling a PlayStation, you can take up pictures of it, you upload it online, and then you sell it at a throwaway price. So for example, a PS5, you can sell it at 40,000 now. If you post it now, you will be able to attract very, very many customers. So what you do, you don't sell the whole product, but rather what you do is you say that you want to give it away. You can say, for example, that your brother gifted you from abroad, and now you have 2 PlayStations, but you want to give one away at a throwaway price. So what you do is you go online, you say that you are giving it away. So what the person should be able to do is just to send you the shipping fees, and you'll be able to send the product to them. So for example, you can say you are in Nairobi, but you want to send it to Kisumu or Eldoret or Migori or wherever. But you just tell the person that what you do, just send the shipping fees, which is around 1,000 shillings, and the product is all yours. So once the person sends, you block and move forward. That is the second method. The third method that you can make money, legal or illegal, is crypto or forex trading. I don't have so much information about this, but what I know is that these guys don't even make real money from what they are saying, but rather you are like a specimen to them. You are the one that is being used to make them money. So for example, these guys, they make money mostly through I would say through maybe informing or educating people on how to trade. So for example, I've done my little research about this topic. I may be wrong, I may be right, but what I know is that these guys don't really show you how to make the money. Rather, they make money by teaching you how to make money. So kindly beware. Of course, there are some legit ways you can make money. You can learn skills, you can learn video editing, but it's basically a choice, man. You choose what you wanna do and what works for you, basically.